Today we're taking a close, no-fluff look at the Oshkosh HEMTT A4, the heavy expanded mobility tactical truck that keeps the logistics lifeline moving for the modern U.S. Army. I'll walk you through what this truck actually brings to the battlefield in 2025, power plant and performance, payload and utility, protection and crew comfort, how it handles off-road, life cycle and recapitalization, and what recent contract figures tell us about its market price. If you want the cinematic B-roll cues and close-up shots to pair with this narration, drop a note and I'll give you a shot list. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The HEMTT A4 is powered by a Caterpillar C15 diesel that puts out roughly 500 horsepower, a meaningful step up from earlier HEMTT iterations, mated to an Allison automatic transmission and an uprated Oshkosh transfer case. That combination gives the A4 the grunt needed to haul and recover heavy loads while keeping speed and mobility reasonable for a vehicle this size. Official Oshkosh documentation lists the engine upgrade and the A4's improved horsepower as core to its mobility improvements. On paper, the HEMTT A4 is built to carry heavy logistics loads. The cargo variant commonly cites a payload in the neighborhood of 21,500 pounds, about 9.7 metric tons. It also offers mission-fit options like an onboard crane rated around 4,500 pounds and optional heavy-duty self-recovery winches. Those numbers mean the HEMTT is not just a truck, it's a mobile workhorse capable of loading, unloading and recovering gear without relying on external forklifts or cranes, which is crucial in austere environments. Mobility isn't only about horsepower and payload, suspension, tires, locking differentials and fording ability matter. The A4 uses air ride suspension and heavy-duty axles with selectable front axle drive and differential locks, which together offer significantly better ride quality and off-road traction than legacy leaf-sprung trucks. Oshkosh's design keeps the HEMTT A4 capable of steep gradients, deep fording, and sustained operations across mud, sand and rough terrain, important when convoys are rerouting off paved roads or operating from forward logistics sites. The combined package lets it sustain operational tempos while protecting cargo and crew. Top speed and range are practical considerations. The A4's listed top speed sits in the ballpark of the low 60s mph, around 100 km per hour, and real-world range with normal loads is typically a few hundred miles. Oshkosh brochures have historically quoted ranges around 300 miles depending on configuration and payload. Those figures mean the HEMTT can handle long hauls between staging areas without constant refueling stops, but commanders still need to plan fuel logistics carefully when pushing deep into contested areas. Protection and crew survivability have evolved. The A4 is armor-ready, meaning it's built with A-kit, B-kit modular armor provisions so crews can add applique armor where needed. That approach balances weight and transportability with protection. Units can deploy lighter for strategic mobility, then fit armor in theater as required. The cab itself is climate-controlled and ergonomically designed for long shifts, and Oshkosh emphasizes integrated safety systems like anti-lock brakes and traction control in their marketing materials. For missions where crew exposure to indirect fire or IEDs is a risk, the ability to fit armor without redesigning the vehicle is a major plus. What about maintenance, recapitalization and life cycle costs? One of the reasons the HEMTT family remains in service is Oshkosh's recapitalization (recap) program. Older HEMTTs are stripped to the frame and rebuilt to 0-hour, 0-mile condition on the same line as new vehicles. That lowers life cycle costs compared with buying entirely new fleets and shortens delivery times for upgrade packages. The A4's use of militarized commercial components also simplifies logistics and parts sourcing compared with wholly bespoke military drivetrains. For militaries and contractors focused on total cost of ownership, those choices are huge. Now the money question: how much does a HEMTT A4 cost? There isn't a single public unit sticker price because most procurement happens through multi-year family of heavy tactical vehicles (FHTV) contracts, recapitalization orders, and mixed bundles that include trailers, kits and support services. But recent contract announcements give us a practical sense of scale. In 2024-2025, Oshkosh secured large FHTV follow-on awards valued in the hundreds of millions to well over $1 billion for multi-year production and recap efforts. For example, a $1.54 billion FHTVV award announced in 2024 and more targeted orders of $167 million that covered a batch of trucks and trailers. Breaking those batch figures down provides a rough per-truck estimate in the high hundreds of thousands of dollars, remembering that price per vehicle in a contract often includes trailers, spare parts, kits, and sustainment. So, if you see headlines quoting